This 5-minute solution will show you how to create a private server in Roblox. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to create your private server. And the process will be similar for computer, Android device and iOS device. First of all, open Roblox and sign into your account. Once you are in Roblox home page, scroll down and select a game where you want to create a private server. In my case, I'm selecting this game. Once you are in the game page, click on servers and click on create private server. Now let's create a private server for free. Write here the server name and click on buy now. And as you can see, you have successfully bought the mentioned icon new cars private server from Capybara's production for free. Now click on customize, and here you can easily update your server name by clicking here. Then you can enable or disable allow joining to your server. You can enable or disable friends allowed, and you can add people to your server by clicking here. You can also generate a private server link by clicking on generate. So that's it. This is how we can create a private server in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.